Hello friend, welcome in Coder. This is Lavi. Today I am going to represent Java 8 and 11 features. Before seeing Java features, I would like to give the introduction of Java 8 and 11. After coming Java 8, there are a lot of changes happen in Java world. It's become a functional programming language. Java Platform Standard Edition 8 is released on 18 March 2014. It was a revolutionary release of the Java for software development platform. Earlier, Java version used to have a name like JDK 1.2 Playground, JDK 1.3 Kestrel, JDK 1.4 Carolyn, etc. But from Java 8 release, the code name is discontinued, and so officially there is no code name for Java 8. Now I would like to introduce Java 11. Java 11 is the second LTS released after Java 8. Since Java 11, Oracle JDK would no longer be free for commercial use. You can use it in developing stage, but to use it commercially, you need to buy a license. If you don't, you can get an invoice bill from Oracle any day. Java 10 was the last free Oracle JDK that could be downloaded. Oracle stopped Java 8 support from January 2019. You'll need to buy for more support. You can continue use it, won't get any patches security updates. While Oracle JDK is no longer free, you can always download the OpenJDK built from Oracle or other providers such as Adobe, OpenJDK, Azure, IBM, Red Hat, etc. In my opinion, unless you are looking for enterprise level users with the appetite to pay for the support fees, you can use OpenJDK and upgrade them as and when necessary. Java Platform Standard Edition 8 is a major features release, and we have covered all features of Java 8 in very details. The lot of example. I am sure once you finish this course, you will have very sound knowledge of Java 8 features. Now first I am going to represent Java 8 features, and after that we will talk about Java 11 features in this video. And I will explain to everything in the playlist what has changed in Java before and now with example. So let's get started. What's new features in JDK 8? First is Lambda expression. What is Lambda expression? Lambda expression helps us to write our code in functional style. It provides a clear and concise way to implement SAM. Method reference. Method reference is used to refer method of functional interface. It is compact and easy form of Lambda expression. Functional interface. An interface that contains only one abstract method is known as functional interface. Stream API. Java 8 java.util.stream package consists of classes, interfaces, and an enum to allow functional style operations on the elements. Default method. Java provides a facility to create default methods inside the interface. Methods which are defined inside the interface as tagged with default keyword are known as default methods. Optional class. Java introduced a new class optional in Java 8. It is public final class which is used to deal with null pointer exception in Java applications. Static method in interface. Java interface static method is similar to default method except that we can't override them in the implementation classes. Java I/O improvement. Java 8 There are several improvements to the java.nio.cassette and extend cassette implementations. For each method, Java provides new method for each method to iterate the elements. It is defined in a table and stream interface. Date and time API. Java has introduced a new date and time API since Java 8. The java.time package contains Java 8 date and time classes. Now I would like to talk Java 11 features. First is new utility method in Stringler. There are a few methods that have been added as part of JDK 11 and helps developers to minimize coding effort, like stripped method, strip leading, strip trailing, is blank, lines, repeat. Next is local variable syntax for lambda parameters. JDK 11 allows variable to be used when declaring the formal parameters of implicitly typed lambda expressions. Reading and writing a string to end from the files. Remove the Java EE and Corva modules. From JDK 11, remove the Java EE and Corva modules from the Java SE platform and the JDK. These modules were deprecated as part of Java SE 9 with the declared intent to remove them in a future release. Epsilon garbage collector. This GC handles memory allocation but does not implement any actual memory reallocation mechanism. Method removed from thread class. Destroy and stop method of thread classes are removed in JDK 11. Since JDK 8, the destroy method has never done anything except throwing the no such method error. The stop method hasn't done anything except throwing the unsupported exception. That's all for today. I will explain lambda expression with lots of example and interview question in next video. If you like video, so please press like button and subscribe my channel and press the icon for more updates. Thank you friends for watching.